I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Inshot, import the footage, and add the overlay you want to track, a sticker, blur patch, or graphic. Start by positioning that PIP element directly over the face at the first frame where tracking begins. This anchors the effect visually. Then enable keyframes and set the initial keyframe. You do this now because Inshot lacks automatic face tracking. Manual keyframes give precise control and prevent drift as the subject moves. Once the initial keyframe is set, scrub forward frame by frame and add new keyframes as the face moves. For smooth, faster motion, use keyframes every 6 to 12 frames. On each keyframe, nudge the overlay's position, scale, and rotation so it stays aligned to facial features. Small adjustments prevent jitter. Make sure to zoom the timeline for fine placement and preview at full speed. This hands-on method compensates for camera motion and expression changes, keeping the effect believable. To finish, play the full clip and tweak any keyframes that drift or jump. Tighten spacing where movement is fast and relax it when motion is smooth. Soften the overlay edges, match its brightness or color to the face, and add slight blur so it blends naturally. Export a short test at your target resolution to inspect real playback. If you still see misalignment, reopen the problematic segment, add intermediate keyframes, or reduce overlay scale. Those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.